Bel-Air High opened the ISSA Burger King Under 14 quarterfinal round with a 2-0 win over Racines High at Bel-Air recently. Tazika Arthurs gave the home side an early lead before Joshua McLean secured the points to give the Manchester-based school a winning start.
We pretty much came into this game knowing that 3 points is the only thing that we desire, and boys went out there and got the job done, clean sheet as well, injury-free. Especially that is important at this stage, that we don't have any recovery time because our game is on Monday and we have to just keep on going, getting at it.
We have some problems that we're going to have to work out, and whether they left us in the season or they carry us out through the season, because our problems sometimes continue with us. You know, sometimes we try to work it out, but you know, it never work out as much as we want.
Over at Garvey Masaya, there were no goals between the home team and William Memorial High. Garvey Masaya came close to taking the lead, but they were either finding the goalkeeper or the woodwork.
It's not the outcome that we would have wanted. All is not lost, it's a draw. It's what we do from here. This game is already gone. All we have to go back and assess some of the good things that we do today, and we have to look at some of the things that we want to carry over into our next game.
In the Mighty Malta Under-16 action, Monroe and Cornell College ended 2-2. Tavan Bali and Jaquan Mitchell were the scores for Monroe, while DeMarco Finnegan and Mikai Foster got the goals for Cornell College.
Proud of the boys so far. Really can't ask much more of them. They've been playing well all season. We'll just continue. Hope we'll continue on that form.
Yeah, pretty much pleased. The condition with the wind, we're not used to that, but definitely we're not using that as an excuse.